How to turn on or turn off Google Keyboard, Gboard, spell and grammar check on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on General Management. After click on General Management, scroll down and click on Samsung Keyboard Settings. After click on Samsung Keyboard Settings, scroll down and click on Keyboard. After click on Keyboard, click on Gboard. Click on Correction and Suggestions. You will see spelling and grammar is here, so click on spelling and grammar. So if you want to turn on spelling and grammar, so if you want to turn off spelling and grammar, turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see spelling and grammar is turn off. So if you want to turn on spelling and grammar, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see spelling and grammar is turn on. You will turn on or turn off spelling and grammar from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off Google Keyboard, Gboard, spelling and grammar check on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.